Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing of the latest VU 4K Ultra HD TVs announced in India. So VU has been a brand which has been really popular in the 4K TV segment. They have been offering premium segments. So we have already talked about their cinema TVs, the premium TVs. Now we have the VU Android TV, the 4K TVs announced in 4 different sizes. We have the 43-inch variant, 50-inch, 55-inch and the 65-inch. So we're going to do the unboxing of the 50-inch 4K Ultra HD TV, and we're going to talk about the TV, the highlights of the TV. So before doing the unboxing, let's first have a look at the specification offered. So it has a 50-inch Ultra 4K smart TV. It comes with Android out of the box. So this has a stock Android experience. You get the Google Assistant. You can use the Google Assistant on the TV. Then Chromecast is built in, and you can cast your content from phone or laptop. Then high dynamic range is there. Dolby Vision and HDR10 support is there. So this brings in some really good clarity to the TV, and apart from that, you also get DTS Virtual X surround sound, and this gives you immersive audio experience. So it is loaded with features, and the pricing is also attractive. We'll talk about the pricing later. Now this TVs comes with all the basic apps installed. You get Netflix, YouTube, Amazon Prime Video, and all the basic apps are installed. You can also install apps from the Play Store if you want to. So that's the TV. Now without any further ado, let's get started with the unboxing of the VU 4K 50-inch Ultra HD TV. So first thing what you get in the box is the TV stand. Looks really good. It has a premium finishing, and you get the option to connect this. So this is the stand included with the box package. So then what you get is the mount for fixing the TV onto the wall. So not many manufacturer gives you the wall mount. This VU definitely provides you with the wall mount, so you can easily fix this on the wall without having to invest in another wall mount. So that is also included here. So you get the manual and the quick guide. Then included in the box is the remote, this additional screws, and a couple of batteries are also included. So that's all inside the box. Now let's take the TV out from this case. So now we have set up the TV. First let's have a look at the ports offered on this TV. So on the back panel you can see there is an antenna port, the 3.5mm audio jack, 3 HDMI port, one of which is supporting ARC. We have 2 USB ports, then we have the LAN port and the digital audio out port. Along with that you also get the audio out in port included in the TV. Now next let's talk about the hardware. So this TV is powered by a quad core processor, and you get Mali 470MP GPU. Along with that you get 2GB RAM and 16GB internal storage for installing all your apps. Next let's talk about the design. So the VU TV is pretty lightweight for the size. It's good looking bezel-less design. It is made of a robotic assembly that makes it really bezel-less in terms of design. Extremely thin frame. The bottom panel has a silver finish which extends to the stand as well. The build quality is really superior and gives it a premium feel altogether. There is also mention of the Dolby support at the bottom frame. So overall in terms of design aspect, it's a really well built TV with a superior finish and overall great looks as well. Next let's talk about the software. So VU premium TVs have been running on the latest version of Android interface. So here also you get the latest version of Android, and it's very simple and easy to use interface. You get all the features like all the apps installed. You get Netflix, YouTube, these apps are pre-installed, Hotstar, Prime Video, and you also get the Google Play Store, and you can even add apps to configure on the home screen. So basically which all apps you want to see on the home screen, those can be configured. You get recommendations from YouTube, Play Music, Netflix, and this again can be customized. Here you can go to the customization options and add channels whichever you want, and you also get the option to go to the Play Store and install apps as well. So Play Store has a lot of apps to install because you get 16GB internal storage. So this is the Play Store, and you can go here and see all the apps which you have installed. You can update apps. There are a plethora of apps to choose. So based on what content you want to watch, you can install apps. This Play Store also comes with option for installing games. So there are a wide range of games available. So you can select games from here. You can install games from here. So that's the Play Store, which you can download. You can create your account, or rather set up your Gmail account and then install apps from the Google Play Store. So it comes with Google Play Store by default. Now if you go to settings, you can configure the picture and the sound quality. The picture, you can see that there are different modes available. So you can basically configure the picture here mode, dynamic mode, standard mode, the natural, cricket mode is there. Then you can also see there is a calibrated mode available. So these configurations can be set from here. Now if you go to the sound settings, here also you can see that the sound mode can be set. There are lots of options to choose here. You can also connect additional speakers, but then this has a really good 30-watt speaker. There is sound standard mode, theater mode, sports mode, music. So a lot of options are there. Then there is true bass HTX, true surround sound is there. It has support for Dolby and digital DTS sound. So the sound quality is again something which is really good. Now talking about the display quality, the display is HDR display, HDR10 enabled display. There is also Dolby Vision support, and the brightness levels are 400 nits, giving you unmatched level of experience in terms of the display quality. Now actually if you see the video content, for example the 4K content on this display, you can actually feel the difference. The black levels and also the contrast of the display looks great. The viewing experience is excellent, and overall the clarity of the TV, the 4K TV, looks really superb. Vivo also has this VOD upscaling feature. So basically VOD upscaler is a software based feature developed by Vivo, and it is said to enhance the picture quality for video on demand content. Basically if you're watching content on Netflix or Prime Video, the OTT content, the feature is set to combine multiple enhanced machine learning algorithms working with the digital signal processor to enhance the picture quality, offering bright and more vibrant colors while watching OTT content. So that's one of the important features of the VOD upscaler technology. Now the View Premium TV also comes with a cricket mode. So cricket mode is something which probably Indians would love, because we love cricket, and watching cricket is something which we really like. And for that View has this cricket mode which gets you the best cricketing experience. Again, this feature is available on the View Ultra Smart TVs as well. Now in terms of speaker experience, it has a 30-watt speaker. Generally you find a 20-watt speaker in this price category, and this is also supporting Dolby Digital and DTS surround sound, and the sound quality is excellent and loud as well. So here is a sound test of the View Ultra 4K TV. Now the View Ultra 4K TV also comes with advanced picture calibration based on your viewing experience. This expert picture calibration combines different color temperatures, MPEG noise reduction, HDMI dynamic range, gamma correction, color calibration to deliver the most crisp and sharp, or rather realistic images on the 4K panel. This is something which is again really good on the View Ultra 4K TV. Now if you look at the remote, you can see that it has a very good and compact remote. You get all the options for OTT content like the Netflix, Prime Video, Google Play, YouTube, Hotstar. Those options are there. You have the option to the Google Voice Assistant. You can just press here and use the Google Voice Assistant. Then all the options are there. The controls are included. It's very compact and easy to use remote, and the material quality of the remote also looks really good. So that is the detailed aspects about the View Ultra 4K TVs announced in India. It is coming in 4 sizes: 43 inch, 50 inch, 55 inch and 65 inch. Now the pricing is also extremely competitive and probably one of the best pricing in this 4K series. So the 43 inch is priced 25,999, 50 inch is priced 28,999, 55 inch is priced 32,999, and the 65 inch is priced 48,999. So below 50,000 you get the 65 inch 4K Ultra HD TV. That's something which is really good View has done. So View has been really competitive in terms of the pricing as well. So the same goes with the View Ultra 4K smart TVs announced in India right now. So overall, if you're looking for a premium but at affordable 4K TVs, View Ultra 4K series offers this, and the cheapest one is around 26,000 for the 43 inch, and it goes up to 48,999 for the 65 inch. So we highly recommend the View Ultra 4K TVs for a great experience. and you can buy this from Amazon. So we'll share the link in the description of this video. This is a really good 4K Ultra HD TV available in India right now. So that's it for this video. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.